Om Shanti. Sit in a comfortable position with the back straight. You can either sit on a cushion on the floor, cross-legged, or if this is uncomfortable, sit on a chair. Choose a quiet place away from noise or visual distractions. So, we will start doing meditation. Let me imagine that nothing exists outside this room. I feel completely insulated from the outside world and free to explore my inner world. I turn all my attention inward, concentrating my thought energy on the center of the forehead. I feel a sense of detachment from my physical body and the physical surroundings. I become aware of the stillness around me and within me. Waves of peace gently wash over me, removing any restlessness and tensions from my mind. I concentrate on this feeling of deep peace. Just peace. I am peace. Peace is my true state of being. My mind becomes very calm and clear. I feel easy and content. Having returned to my natural consciousness of peace, I sit for a while, enjoying this feeling of calmness and serenity. Om Shanti.